All right, we are making a Vietnamese breakfast today. I'm using a little skirt steak, maybe like this much. First thing we want to do is just make a little marinade for the steak. A little hoisin sauce from this packet, a little bit of oyster sauce, some Golden Mountain soy sauce, minced garlic, a little olive oil. Let this sit for like 20 minutes and then we'll come back. Okay, so we have this steak that's almost ready to be cooked. Gonna get some eggs on, have our pate, gonna have some banh mi bread on it, and then gonna have some French fries. Actually gonna put these in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And I guess we'll get cooking on our steak. Put some oil on. Cut the scallion a little bit. Going to get the fries in for the first round. Flip the steak. Some butter on. Put it on this side. See how many eggs we want. Maybe 3 eggs. Some scallions on. Take these fries out for a second. Turn this oil up. Get some bread. Salt the eggs. A little butter on the steak. Fries back in the oil. Ideally, we'd have some tomatoes in here. Forgot tomatoes. Got some onion here though. Some last minute onions. Fries out too. A little salt on the fries. Scallion. Let's put some fries right here. Bit of pate in the middle. Banh mi bread out. Bread right here. And there we go. Let's try this out. Get a piece of the steak. A little bit of pate. Dip in the egg yolk. Oh, so good. Little onion, little scallion. Okay, well, this is great. I'm gonna have fun with this. Goodbye.